Hi guys and welcome to today's video. My neighbour was drilling all morning and afternoon, so it's now like 8 PM and if they finished like an hour ago, so I'm finally starting to film today's video, but it is a little bit later than I'm used to filming, so who knows what my mood is going to be like. I've also got my curtains closed, which I rarely do because I like to have a bit of that light coming in. But today that's not really, there's no light outside, so there's no point. So it does mean that this is all artificial light, so I hope it looks okay, but I know artificial light's a bit tricky. But today I am unboxing this little beauty, and coincidentally we kind of match a little bit. It wasn't on purpose, I promise. But this here is the FEELUNIQUE advent calendar. I hope you guys have been enjoying my other advent calendar unboxings. If you guys haven't seen those below, I will link them. I've so far unboxed my Amazon advent calendar, my L'Occitane luxury advent calendar, and I also done a roundup of about 17 advent calendars that I'm really loving. But there are a few more to come, so please do stay tuned, and I hope that you guys are really enjoying this because I am enjoying filming them. The FEELUNIQUE calendar is of course a multi-brand calendar, which, as I mentioned before, I think are the best type of calendars. I think they're the best way to discover new products, but not just new products, also new brands, which is extra exciting as far as I'm concerned. FEELUNIQUE have a really nice range of brands on their website, so I'm kind of expecting in here to have a nice range of brands as well. They've got drugstore and high-end products, which is fab, and this calendar here is £75 and it's apparently worth £250, which is amazing because that is a fraction of the price. Trying to work that out in my head, that's like, I mean, I'm gonna have to get a calculator out. 30% of the total price. I'm really hoping that's right. Oh, if it's wrong, that's gonna be so embarrassing. But let's get started because I'm very excited. I don't think I had a FEELUNIQUE calendar last year. Maybe I did, I'm not sure. But let's quickly just open it up. I mentioned in my roundup that I think this packaging is alright. I don't think it's that Christmassy, but you know, what can you do? And then it's kind of got like a little story here. By Paper Chase Theatre for FEELUNIQUE. Beyond the horizon, past mountains and sea, is a forest of ribbons and brown paper trees. Under postage stamp moons and gift wrapping skies is a kingdom of packages of all shapes and sizes. I really want to carry on reading this, but it's quite long. It's a little poem, it's not even a story. It's really cute. What we're all here for really is the actual boxes, and I'm actually going to lay this flat just because it's going to be a little bit easier for me to open. I feel like aesthetic wise it's not as pretty, but I hope you guys will bear with that. And I massively blend in with this. Should have thought this through, but I clearly didn't. Box number one. So these are little paper boxes. I like boxes over those little doors that you open, although I like drawers even more. It just doesn't look as messy and I just think that's great, but I guess recycling wise it's worse. This is from the brand Lime Crime, which is a bit of a controversial brand, so I'm never really too sure about it if I'm honest. But this is a iridescent lip topper. I don't get glitter lipsticks, just not for me, but it's a great product, it's a pricey product, and I'm sure some of you guys would love it. It's just not my cup of tea. This is a Diamond Crushes lipstick. It's like a liquid, it's like a lipstick topper. Not my personal sort of product, but Lime Crime's a cool brand and it's quite a pricey brand as well. So, and that's a full-size product, so that's quite a cool product to have in there. It's a good start. On to box number two, and that's a little bit smaller. But good things come in small packages. That doesn't mean that it's bad. Oh, this box is completely full. This is a Murad Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. Retinol is it's like a really popular ingredient at the moment in all our skincare. So it's great to see this in here. I'm really regretting my shirt choice. You have no idea, but I can't be able to change it now. And this is a mini. This is a 5ml, so it is quite small, but Murad is quite an expensive brand, and I think that's just a nice way to try it if you've never tried it before. I quite like, which I will show you, let me put this back up. You work your way down the calendar, which is quite nice because sometimes it can be really tricky to find the boxes. Box number three. Inside is a Crabtree and Evelyn Rosewater and Pink Pepper Hydrating Hand Therapy. This is 25ml. I really like Crabtree and Evelyn. I think it's a really underrated brand. Always need a hand cream, although by the end of these advent calendar videos I'm going to have an abundance of hand creams. I can't open this. That's a really nice handbag size as well. Numero Quattro, number 4. KMS Moisture Repair. I really like KMS. It's a brand that I've been using loads recently actually. And this is a shampoo. It's 75ml. It's quite a big bottle. I'm always interested to see if the conditioner is going to pop up in here or not, but it might not. Either way, it's a nice product to travel with, and it's a great size to try as well. And obviously, all full sizes of these products are available on FEELUNIQUE. Box number 5. As I suspected, KMS Moisture Repair Conditioner. It's great that there's a shampoo and conditioner. You can really try the brand, try the range, and find out if you like it, and potentially end up with a favourite shampoo and conditioner for the new year. Box number 6 is an INIKA Loose Mineral Blush. Now, I don't know too much about mineral products. I've definitely heard of INIKA. I've definitely tried products, and actually I think I've tried a blush which was really nice. It's nice to have a variety of products in here, including some more natural products. This is a blush in the colour Blooming Nude, and I believe this is a full size as well, and it looks like this, and I think that's a great product to have in here. So far I really like the mixture of like makeup and skincare and hair care. I'm really worried that I'm gonna like lose count and forget to open a box. Number 7. I haven't used anything from this brand in ages, but it's such a nice brand. This is the brand First Aid Beauty, and this is a facial radiance polish. 100% my type of product. 28.3 grams. That's a really random number. It's safe for sensitive skin, and it's an exfoliating, brightening and purifying product. I don't know if it's like a scrub, but exciting. I feel like whenever I use quite a lot of makeup, for example in December, it's always nice to have a scrub nearby. Box number 9. I love this brand. We saw this brand in the Amazon calendar that I opened. This is the James Read Gradual Tan Drops Face. I really like James Read. I've used these before and I really liked them. I just love gradual products for the face in terms of fake tan. I've used this before and I really liked it. Number 9. Caudalie Makeup Removing Cleansing Oil. I think this is a sample size, but it's definitely deluxe sample. I've spoken before in my previous videos that I like when the sample sizes still have great packaging, and this does. Now, I personally don't get on very well with Caudalie, but if you do, this is a great product, and it's a great opportunity to try the product without having to buy the full size to find out for yourself if you get on with them. I have friends that swear by this cleanser. I just personally can't use it. Moisturising Grape and Sweet Almond. Number 10, I don't think I've lost count just yet. Percy and Reed. Again, we saw Percy and Reed in the Amazon calendar. There is kind of a trend of products you see in a lot of calendars. A lot of these will be in Amazon, in M&S. So it's kind of just looking for which one gives you the best deal. This is a Percy and Reed finishing polish. It's basically a great product for anyone with slightly too much volume in their hair, which I don't. I feel like my hair's a bit frizzy today, but I don't have a lot of volume in my hair, sadly. But this is just a good, nice product to kind of finish off your hair, and I think it smells good too. And it smells quite good too. Number 10, and actually we've got like a row of smaller boxes now. I have a full size of this, and I think it's a really, I like the product. I feel like I don't love the concept of it, but it's a good product. It's the Sol de Janeiro. I'm saying it in a Portuguese accent. I'm sorry, it's a Portuguese word. I feel like I should be saying it in a Brazilian accent, but I can't. This is a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Everyone's heard this. I feel like because it's called Bum Bum Cream, everyone's heard of it, because everyone's like, whoa, what's a Bum Bum Cream? It's essentially a body cream. It's nothing more than that, but it smells incredible. They do a fragrance in this scent as well, and I actually do have that. It just smells so good. I could just smell this all day. Again, it is a sample size. I would say this is potentially a deluxe sample, but being a body cream, I think typically people use a lot of body cream because bodies are so long, but it is 25 ml, and it's just a great opportunity to try. It's a bit of a cult product, I would say, actually, nowadays. Number 12. These are good sizes. This is, I have tried Living Proof because I'm using their shampoo and conditioner, but this is the Living Proof Restore Treatment Mask. Love the brand. It's a very cool brand as well. And like I said, this is a mask. This is 28 grams. You could probably, this is a guess because I haven't actually used this product, but my guess is that you could get about 2 uses out of this, because I like to be quite generous with my masks. It doesn't really smell of anything, but it's an exciting product to see in here. It's a relatively new brand in the UK, which I'm not sure that many people have tried, so I'm very excited to try it, and I'm sure lots of people would be excited. And again, especially in December when we are probably not taking as much care of our hair as we should be, we're probably over styling and the heating's on, we all need a bit of a treatment mask, so excited to see that in there. 13, I actually thought the last product was going to be this, but this is an EOS Lip Balm. Everyone loves the EOS Lip Balms, so they're not very expensive, but again, they're a product that everyone uses, everyone loves, everyone needs a lip balm, and I feel like it's important that advent calendars do have some of those really staple products that work across the board. such as this product, and hand creams and just general face creams, like those sort of products everyone uses, whereas maybe not everyone does wear, I don't know, glitter lipstick, I guess. 14. Oh, it's nice packaging. What's this? I think the next advent calendar I'm going to unbox is my Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar, and I'm so excited. And I'm so excited that this is in here. I think this, for me, really adds value to this calendar. And actually so far I'm really liking this calendar. This is Charlotte's Magic Cream. I mean, how can you like beauty and not have heard of this cream? It is quite pricey though, so maybe not everyone's had the opportunity to try it, so it's great that it's in here and more people get the chance to try it. This is a 15ml. Again, a nice deluxe sample. On to box 15. This isn't an inexpensive product. This is Palmer's Cocoa Butter. Softens and smooths skin. Haven't used this in years. It's quite a comforting smell because I used it so much when I was younger. Actually, not so much. There was like a short period where I used it quite a lot. A product that works for almost everyone, and it's great to see it in here. It is 30 grams. Box 16. I'm genuinely excited every box. I'm like trying to peek in before the box is even fully opened. This is Makeup Forever's Ultra HD Skin Booster. I don't even know what this is. I think it's just like a little face serum. As I mentioned previously, I love when they come with good packaging despite being a sample. It's got a little peplum. It's not called a peplum. Oh my god, did I call it a peplum in my last video? Oh, I can't remember what it's called now. A pipette. It's got a little pipette, which is great. It's quite a small one though. It is 4.5ml, and it's a serum, a skin booster serum. Box 17. This is a lipstick, a red lipstick, and this is a Revlon red lipstick. I really like Revlon lipsticks, especially their reds. I just think they're really classic. I'll open this actually. Let's try and work out how to do so. So this is in the colour Bombshell Red, a great winter red. It's quite dark. Actually, it matches my nails almost perfectly, but really beautiful and perfect for party season. Now onto the biggest box of the advent calendar. I did not think we'd get any palettes in here, but here we go. This is the Sleek palette. I always think it's quite interesting when brands have their own advent calendars such as Sleek, but they're still in other advent calendars. I think it's quite a good move because not everyone wants a full Sleek advent calendar. But this is just a Sleek highlight palette, which looks like this. Again, not that expensive, but it is a full-size product and it definitely adds value to this advent calendar. And I think it's also nice because some people only use high-end products, which is such a shame because there are some gems in terms of drugstore products. Sleek is a drugstore brand which I really do rate quite highly, and that of course is the full size. Box 19, FILORGA. I think that's how you pronounce the brand. Time-Filler. This is a primer, I believe, but more of an anti-aging primer, which apparently soothes wrinkles. So I haven't tried this. Potentially I'm a tiny bit young for this, although I'm definitely starting to get some fine lines, so maybe this would work for me too. I suspect it would just be quite a nice hydrating cream. Since it is quite a small one, I feel like anyone could use it. It's probably not one I would recommend younger people use for a prolonged period of time, but if you're quite young, you can kind of use it just when your skin's a little bit drier. This is 15ml. Into the 20s and onto our last 5 boxes. This is nice. Again, a brand that isn't overly easily available in the UK. FEELUNIQUE is a great place to buy this brand, and it's Sigma. I haven't tried anything from Sigma in ages, but the brushes I've had from them in the past have been amazing. Actually, I think I've got a palette as well. This is the P82 Precision Round Brush. It's designed for eyeshadow, base or primer onto the lid. I would probably use this more for potentially concealer and potentially highlight. Potentially highlight. More like in the inner corner rather than onto my cheeks, but a cool brush nonetheless. Box 21. This is a sheet mask from Incredible. Is that what the brand's called? It's basically like Nails Inc.'s sister brand. This is Sparkle Like a Unicorn. Again, fun for party season. We all need a sheet mask every now and then. Me probably more so than other people because I just have such dehydrated skin. Box 22. Inside we have another what's the word? Pipette. And this is, I have no idea, Power 10 Formula VC Effector Tenit Skin. Never even heard of this brand. All the back of it's in like Korean or Chinese language, I'm not sure. Oriental, is that what I call those types of languages? I should really know this, that's awful. But again, pipette, no idea what it is. Oh, it's a vitamin C product. I'm definitely going to Google that because that sounds very interesting, and again, very excited to find a brand I've never even heard of. Box 23, Ciaté. This is Wonderland mascara. I've used this mascara before. Again, one of those core products that I really think an advent calendar should have is a mascara, because almost everyone uses a mascara. Ciaté though is a brand that I love, but it isn't overly popular, so hopefully some people will discover it and fall in love with it. And it's also quite like a mid price point brand as well, and I've used this mascara before and I liked it, so I'm very excited to see that in there as well. And then onto the final box. And inside the final box is a Ren Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. Typically I feel like we end on a high. For me this one's a low because I've used this before and I personally didn't get on with it. I found it a bit sticky and I just don't like that. But it's just gonna happen. You win some, you lose some. I loved this calendar, but this product just isn't my favourite, so it's quite a weird one for me to finish on, I think. To finish with the roundup, I really liked this calendar. I did not think I was going to like it anywhere near as much as I do. I'm very excited for so many of the products. Of course, Charlotte Tilbury. I would use almost all of them. It is £75, but you have so many full-size products, and I know some of them are drugstore products, but I'm totally fine with that. I think it's a great way to find new products, and there are so many products in here I haven't used. So many good brands that I really, really love, and I'm excited for everyone else to discover it as well, because a lot of these I've already tried, but obviously I'm quite fortunate because I work within beauty. Oh, I'm so impressed, FEELUNIQUE. Such a good calendar. I would definitely consider getting this one if you're looking for a calendar. There are a few other ones that might be great. I love multi-brand calendars. Only other one that I've already opened that I can kind of compare it to would be Amazon, because I don't think it's fair for me to compare this one to L'Occitane. Although, compared to L'Occitane, this has so many full-size products, and really it does put L'Occitane a little bit to shame. But compared to Amazon, this is £25 more expensive. Packaging wise, it's definitely more expensive. And I think the products are a little bit more exciting. There was nothing in there that I was kind of like, oh, I will use it but I won't love it. And there were products that I was super duper duper excited about. Charlotte Tilbury. Like, I am so excited about this. I just think it's a very, very good advent calendar, and definitely one to consider if you're looking to get one this year. As I did previously, I'm going to link down below this calendar. Also, the previous videos that I filmed, my blog post has got 70 advent calendars. There's so many this year. But do stay tuned, as tomorrow I shall be back with another advent calendar unboxing, and do let me know down below which one you'd like to see me unbox. I've got a couple more spaces left of unboxings to do, so do let me know. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and share it if you want to send someone a little hint that maybe you would like this advent calendar. But I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.